How to make question mandatory on Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make question mandatory in Google Forms. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google and click on the Google Apps icon shown in the top right corner. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on Forms. And after that, once you are on the Google form, simply choose an existing form or create a new one. And now in the new page, to add a question, simply click on plus icon. And after that, a tab will open, and under there you can see a required toggle at the bottom of that tab. So just turn on the toggle to make the question mandatory, and after that you can add your question on that tab. And once you have added it, a red asterisk will appear next to your question, indicating that it must be answered. And if you turn it off, the red mark will disappear, meaning the question will be optional. And that's it. Now your question is mandatory in your Google Forms. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.